Hi, Blair here, back again, focused on the strategy wheel, working our way around. The last thing I talked about was process design, how much value that can add, and how to think about process. This next one is facilities management. And this is, we know that the main drivers of customer loyalty are friendliness, cleanliness, equipment condition. Those are like the main drivers. And then there's a lot of other drivers below those. So there's a lot of buttons and dials that you can twist and push. And this is a big one. Now, the way that we think about this for us is we say PM and PC. That's not politically correct. That's preventative maintenance and preventative cleaning, cleaning before the dust appears, as core competencies. The way to think about a core competency is that you're so good at it that you could teach it outside your industry. So that's how we think about core competency. We also say we want to display respect through cleaning, straightening, and repair. And think about that. That's it. That's very intentional. We want to display our respect for the members through cleaning, straightening, and repair. That we absolutely respect that they're paying us money, therefore we're going to be very diligent. It's going to be fairly conspicuous. We're going to fix things fast, and we have some really cool processes we changed in order to fix things fast. Innovate for efficacy. I'll give you one quick example of that. Years ago, when we were trying to drive our equipment condition scores, and we were kind of stuck at an 8.3, we want everything at 9.0 in a trailing 90-day metric. And so we we went and we really observed our existing process. How does somebody report something broken? When do we put an out of order sign on it? How fast can we fix it? What kind of parts do we have in stock? The biggest problem that we discovered was the time delay between something breaking and our facilities manager understanding it or knowing it. Because in your gym, a lot of times something might be broken for weeks. So we came up with equipment boards, and they are whiteboards like this that are painted out. Every piece of equipment has its own number on it. And then there's whiteboard pens sitting next to it. Those are placed around the gym, and it just says problems with equipment, or is something missing? Let us know. And then the members come up and they say equipment number, and then we have a code that we use so that our facilities person looks at that number and knows what piece of equipment it is. And then they just write on there, the right side pedal is clicking really loud. And then they put a date on it. And that's up there to be seen by God and everybody. And then our facilities manager comes in, that's the first place he goes, is what's on those boards and how do I wipe those out? So we have those out on the workout floor, and we also have them in our cycling studios. On top of that, we have our own sort of stickers that we made up that go on every piece of equipment. So I can also just take a picture of it and text it to the number that's on that sticker. What we learned was people started to see that we were fixing things fast because they'd write something on the board, it'd be off the next day. Well, that encouraged people to start reporting smaller and smaller issues. So before something was really clunky, we would hear about it when it first started to scrape, for example. That brought our equipment condition scores right now, trailing 90-day equipment condition scores in both gyms is moving at 9.3, and some of our equipment is really old. So that's what we mean by fix fast. That's also what we mean by on the process design, where we said make customer-facing processes frictionless and even enjoyable when possible. Utilize technology. Okay, because we wanted to make their workouts frictionless, we redesigned some of our facilities management. So that's it. We also did some incredible stuff around cleaning so that we could get our club cleanliness scores up to a trailing 90-day 9.3, where they stay now is at about 9.5. We'll go through some of those tactics later so these videos don't get too long. That's it on facilities management. Thanks.